Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change the page size in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First, open Google Docs and open the document where you want to change the page size. Now click File from the top menu. Then scroll down and choose Page Setup from the list. A window will appear with different page settings. In the page setup window, you will find the paper size here. Click on this drop down and you can choose from sizes like letter, executive, A3, A4, A5. Select the page size that you want to use and then click OK. Your document will instantly adjust to the new page size. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.